Hey guys, it's me. I just got back from the gym. I decided to run a few errands and here I am at the local Michael's. I'm here to pick up a couple of things for today's YouTube video and it's gonna be a totally new experience. So I thought I'd bring you along and I will check back in later so you can see what I got. All right, I am back and you can tell because my glasses are still dark from being outside. Anyway, let me show you what I got, and maybe you can tell what I'm planning on doing. I got some 99-cent brushes, because you can always use brushes. And then I got some calligraphy ink, just because I needed some, but that wasn't even part of what this is. Oh wow, these glasses really turn light really fast, better than my older ones. Anyway, I got some Art Minds primer. I don't know if this is the right one, but when I was reading the directions, it looked like it was the right one. And I got some gesso. Now I'm going to be working with wood. I'm going to be painting acrylic paint on wood. I've never done that before, so I hope I have the right stuff, and I know that if I don't, you will always let me know in the comments below. So I will see you at my desk and we will get started. Hey guys, all right, I am back home. I'm showered and ready to go. I just wanted to show you what wood piece I am planning on working with. It is this little, okay, it's a Christmas ornament. I got it in one of my Inky Box subscription boxes. I will link everything down below about Inky Box. It's a subscription box, totally not sponsored, but it's just an item I got and I just saved it because I didn't know what to do with it. And so we're going to paint it today. So I think before we have to get started, sorry, you got the bag right here. Before we get started, I need to prime it. So that's what this is the gesso. That's what this is going to be for. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take this outside into the garage because I don't know if this has any kind of smells to it. I just want to be out in the garage to do this. So we're gonna prime this baby. Okay, and we are outside in the garage, so excuse any outside noises or anything else you hear. I've got gloves on because I don't really know like what is in here. I just want to protect my hands, just because I can get pretty messy. I've got the Art Minds primer. So it's for unfinished surfaces, which this piece is right here. So that's that. It says stir well, apply with a brush and allow to dry completely, lightly sand, then apply desired paint over the primer. Okay, it says water-based and non-toxic, so cool. So I don't know if what this is gonna smell like or anything, so you can tell I don't like to take tags off right away. So I'm gonna do both sides of this, so you're probably only gonna see me do one side on camera, and then I will let this dry, and then I'll do the other side off camera, and then we can just move on to the next step. So I'm just going to gently kind of mix this. And here we go. It's kind of breezy outside, so I don't know if you can hear all that. Oh geez. Oh, there you go. That was easy. Oh, it's goopy. There's like a slight chemically smell, but it's not very strong, and I've already got it on my fingers because that's just the kind of person I am. Okay, so I guess I'm going to get this. This was a 99-cent brush at Michael's. Just gonna mix it around. I'm not quite sure what the consistency is supposed to look like. This feels like, oh, yikes. Guys, is this the right stuff? I have no idea. But let's press on, shall we? Oh man. Definitely not sure. So, you know what, leave a comment down below let me know if this is the right stuff, because I feel like I've used like a polyurethane primer before and it wasn't like that. But let's see. This feels almost like a gesso to me already, so I don't know. Let me move this out of the way. Definitely. Probably don't think I'm using the right stuff. But this is the beauty of this YouTube channel. I'm just learning with all of you. All right, so I guess I can get the sides since I'm here, and then I'll just get the other side later when I'm, you know, when I'm on my own. All right, definitely leave a comment down below if this is the process that you are familiar with. And if it isn't, what process are you familiar with? What products are you familiar with that I should try instead of this? Because I'd love to know. I almost feel like gesso on top of this would be overkill. But you know, we're just gonna go through the process anyway. Go through the entire process. Like I read online, this is the whole reason I'm doing it this way, is because I read online that this was what I was supposed to do, and you can hear the jets flying overhead. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit and dry for a couple minutes. It doesn't feel like it's gonna take that long to dry, and I will come back with the gesso step. Okay, so we are back in the house. Just excuse the lighting a little bit. It's one of those cloudy days, so the sun's gonna be cutting in and out, but we're gonna make do. I did both sides. As you can tell, I had been impatient and was like touching it, trying to see if it was dry. I did both sides, and then the directions said to lightly sand, so I lightly sanded the front and the sides. I didn't do the back because we're gonna focus on the front. So the next step, according to sources I was reading online, I don't really know which ones, I just kind of was like picking and choosing stuff I was reading online about priming and preparing wood for acrylic paint, is gesso. So I got this at Michael's, and because we're only gonna paint the front, I think I'm just gonna do the front. So I opened it already. I'm just gonna put little squirt like that onto it, and I've got my brush. Just gonna brush it on, and see how this goes afterwards. It looks really nice and smooth. Now I'm going with the grain. I don't know if that makes a difference. So, you know, if you have any suggestions, if I'm doing things completely wrong, leave me a comment, but be nice about it because I am learning. So nice, thin, even coat. And I'm gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna start painting. All right, looks good. All right, so I am back. The gesso, I believe it's gesso, is all dry, and I have my acrylics here. I am using Bria Reese Heavy Body Acrylic Paint, and this is the order I am going to be using it. So I've got hot pink, lemon yellow, lime, and turquoise. So I have it out on a little plastic palette. I've got my water, and we're gonna try to do a fun blend. Oh, is it stuck? Oh no, it's stuck. Oh, okay. not stuck. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here. And I might just go ahead and start speeding this up because I'm probably not gonna be talking. So let's speed it up right now. Was not easy. As you can tell in the video, I struggled quite a bit, especially, oh, this is not even dry yet, guys. Especially on the sides, definitely not the best work, I would say, and I am quite messy. Maybe I should have kept the gloves on. I definitely will probably add some lettering to this, but I will probably save that for another video because lettering on wood is something that I know how to do, but painting like this was not. Let me know in the comments below what I could do to improve this process, what supplies you use to make this look better. I can tell a lot of the primer or maybe the gesso is peeking through. Maybe I'm not using the right paint. Anyway, I totally missed a spot right there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, but please stay nice about everything that I probably did wrong in this video. And I will definitely take all those suggestions into consideration and we can do this again. And maybe I'll look like I know what I'm doing. I will see you guys next time so I can wash my hands. Bye.